What's up guys, Jack here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about how to clean and protect the exterior plastic trim on your car.
So I own an F56 Mini Cooper S, and anyone who knows anything about modern Minis knows that these things are covered in black exterior plastic trim. And one of the first things I found whenever I was detailing my Mini was that if you get any polish or wax on this stuff, then it's going to stain and it's going to be really hard to get it out.
So one of the best ways that I've found to keep your black plastic trim clean is to use an alcohol based glass cleaner like this Auto Finesse Crystal and a microfiber towel. What you want to do is just give it a quick spritz all around and then just work it in and buff it off with the microfiber towel.
So if you find that using the alcohol-based glass cleaner and the microfiber towel isn't working for you, then you're going to want to step it up a notch and replace the microfiber with a detailing brush. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to just spray your glass cleaner on as usual, and then instead of using the towel, just work the brush over the plastic. Just do it gently though, and we're going to tell you why in a minute. And if even that doesn't work, then you're going to want to replace the glass cleaner with an all-purpose cleaner like Meguiar's APC. Now, a word of warning, you really don't want to go too crazy with your exterior plastic. Even though it's plastic and it's supposed to be hard wearing, it can degrade. The sun can get at it, and if you scrub too hard or use the wrong product on it, then you can mess it up as well, and I learned that the hard way. I had some wax and polish on my trim, and I wanted to make short work of it. I couldn't really be bothered going through the hassle of getting the glass cleaner, getting the microfiber towel, then finding that that wasn't working, so stepping it up to the brush and then stepping it up to the APC. I just wasn't feeling it. But I had this Auto Glim Intensive Tar Remover, and it says on the back that you can use it to clean up exterior plastic trim, and I thought, great, this stuff is really heavy duty and it's going to make short work of it. But I learned that that is not always a good idea. I think I scrubbed too hard with this product and I bleached my plastic.
Right, now I don't know how clear this is on the video, but you can see just along these ridges here and this bit here that the colour is more of a grey than a black, and that was caused by me using my Colour Lock detailing brush and Auto Glim Intensive Tar Remover. Like I said, I was trying to take a shortcut and I ended up with bleached plastic. Not good.
Now, if you end up with bleached or damaged plastic trim like I've done on my Mini, then don't panic like I did. I was freaking out because I like my car to be just right, but I found that there's some really easily available and reasonably priced products which can get that trim looking as good as new, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is give your plastic a quick clean. Now, if you've got bleached or damaged plastic, then you really don't want to use anything too harsh. So what you want to do is use something like a detailing spray. Okay, so just give it a quick spritz down with some detailer, just like that. And then grab your microfiber towel and just rub it off. Man, that Mirror Bright stuff smells awesome. I don't like to comment on the smell of car products because who cares? But that stuff actually smells great. Okay, buff it off, give it a final wipe over. Next, you're going to want to grab your plastic restoring product. Today I'm going to be using Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. And the reason I've gone for this one is I think it's a great product. You can get other ones. I've got Dodo Juice, fantastic plastic up the stairs in the house. And you can also get things like Auto Glim, bumper and trim gel, but I think Meguiar's is the best because the Dodo Juice one's pretty good, but you really only want to use that on brand new plastic because it doesn't really have much of a restoration effect. And the Auto Glim one is okay, but it leaves one of those oily silicone looks, which I don't really want. I want to get the natural factory fresh look, which is what Meguiar's gives you. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take our Ultimate Black and pop it, just a little bit of product, on a Meguiar's tyre applicator. We're going to pick it up, and what we're going to do is we're only going to do half of this wheel arch so we can see a little before and after. So let's do this side. What you want to do is you want to just dab it over first. So you want to try and kind of get the product nice and spread out, and then just start rubbing it in. Now I've actually definitely used too much product here, so I have, but don't worry about it because you can easily buff it off. You can see here quite a lot of residue, but we can buff that off. It does take a little while to work this product in though, even if you use the right amount. I'll tell you, one of the reasons I like to use this tire applicator for this is that it's just the right size for the wheel arches on a Mini F56. So a little tip it there for you Mini fans. Alright, so I've applied the product to half of the wheel arch. Now the product's still wet. It looks pretty good, but is it going to dry like that? Let's buff it off with a new microfiber towel and see what happens. Wow. I knew this product was good, but I forgot it was that good. Jeez. Okay, now you can see, I think that is a big difference. And all that bleaching that you can see here is totally gone on this side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish off the wheel arch and I'm going to give it 10 minutes and then we'll see how it looks then. Alright, that's 10 minutes past and I think that finish looks awesome. Let's have a closer look. You can see the bleaching is nowhere to be found. This thing looks as if it just rolled off the factory line. So I am really happy with this product. The Meguiars doesn't give you a time estimate for how long this is going to last, but in my own experience I think you'll probably get around 2 months out of it as long as you wash the car properly with pH neutral soap. Okay, so today I've shown you the kind of results you can get from a plastic restore product that you can buy in any auto shop. But like I said, this is going to last 2 months, which I think is pretty good. But if that's not good enough for you, then you might want to take some more drastic action. There are some folks out there who find that you can actually use a heat gun on your plastic trim and that brings up a nice factory finish. Now this car's still fairly new and I didn't want to risk something like that on this car, so I didn't go down that road. But Chris Fix, who's one of my favourite YouTubers, he's got a great video where he does it to his truck and he gets great results. You could also get a dye product. Autoglim sells a black dye, which I think they sell mainly for carpets, and you can also get a product called Forever Black, which I've got upstairs but I've not tried it. And I'll tell you why I didn't, because I didn't really fancy doing all the trim on the car. I bought it thinking, oh, I'll just get it, I'll just do this wheel arch and it'll look great, it'll solve my bleaching. But then I thought, wait a minute, if I do the wheel arch, then I'm going to have to go down here and do this bit because they won't look even. And then if I do that bit, I'm going to have to do the bit over there. So the dye was out for me, but it might work for you. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.